Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy strawberry margarita. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need tequila silver. I'm using Patron, Grand Marnier, agave syrup, fresh strawberries, fresh lime juice, and some fresh jalapenos. Alright, so I'm going to start by adding 3 strawberries into a mixing glass. Alright, next I'm gonna add some jalapeno slices. Three-quarters of an ounce of agave syrup. We're gonna muddle it. Next, we're gonna add some ice. 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. One and a half ounce of tequila. And half ounce of Grand Marnier. Now we're gonna shake it. All right, we're gonna add our glass with salt. And I'm gonna use some cracked ice for this cocktail. I'm gonna strain it. And we're ready to garnish. And also we're gonna garnish it with a lime wheel and strawberry. And that's how you make a spicy strawberry margarita. Now if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!